Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a video talking about Patch Tuesday. We are the second Tuesday of the month of February, and the second Tuesday means security updates for Windows. Now there's a lot of security flaws, over 50 of them if you count Microsoft Office. So it's a pretty impressive month. The security flaws go on all sorts of vulnerabilities. So basically you will have flaws in the common log file system driver where there's elevation of privilege possibility. There's Device Guard, which has a Windows security feature bypass. Graphic Fonts has information disclosure. That means you can kind of see some personal things in there possibly. Internet Explorer has memory corruption flaw. Edge has a memory corruption flaw and a security bypass feature, information disclosure. Microsoft Office has many problems with memory corruption and also elevation of privileges. Microsoft Scripting Engine, memory corruption, and also some elevation of privileges in there. So lots of stuff there. When Microsoft Windows itself, elevation of privilege, and the NTFS global reparse has elevation of privilege and remote code execution also. There's app container elevation of privileges, storage service elevation of privileges, and the kernel itself privilege elevation of privileges and information disclosure flaws. And a lot of them, many different little problems here and there. And in the Windows SMB server is Windows denial of service flaw also discovered. So over 50 in total, which is huge. And of course, you've got also an added bonus on Windows 10. It's a host of bug fixes, and I mean a lot of them. There's a huge list of bug fixing that goes on with the version for Windows 10. So check that out, as if you have some issues, maybe this is going to fix some of these problems. So you'll have also maybe a bug fixing as well as tons of security updates. So on my machine, Windows 10 Fall Careers Update, it came out as KB407-4588. And if you're on Windows 10, by the way, your Windows version is going to be, if you're on Creators Update, 15063.909. If you're on Fall Careers Update, 16299.248. And of course, all of these security flaws affect Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. So update your systems. This is very important if you want to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.